Somebody invited you to record on Riverside. You've never used it, you're not quite sure what you need to do, and it's coming up pretty soon. Well, first let me set your mind at ease, and I'm going to start with the 3 things that you don't have to do. First, you don't need to sign up for any sort of account. 2, you don't need to download anything. It runs entirely in your browser, unless of course you're using a phone, in which case you can download the free app. And third, you don't need to think about how to send your recordings anywhere. Riverside handles that part automatically. So your entire job is click on the link that you're sent, check your mic and webcam, and then show up. I mean, I could end the video right there, but let's get into some of the detail that'll help your recording go flawlessly. So when you click the Riverside link wherever your host sends it to, Riverside will then open up in your browser, like so. And I would recommend using a browser like Chrome or Brave, as they typically work best with Riverside. So go ahead and press continue, and before you enter the room, Riverside will give you a setup screen like so for your camera, your mic, and your speakers, and whether or not you're using headphones for echo cancellation. So if you have a nice webcam or a microphone plugged in, this is where you would choose those from. And it'll also ask you for your name, which is just what your host sees when you appear. It does not show up in the recording. So once you see yourself and you talk to make sure that the input bar moves so that it indicates the mic is working, then you're all set and you're ready to enter. Then just click Join Studio. And now you're in the session, so let's take a quick look around. First, you can see everyone inside the session here, and then you have your toggles for your microphone and your camera in case you need to mute yourself or turn off your video for whatever reason, and you have the option to share your screen if applicable. Then right over here on the right, we can see we have this People tab that shows everyone who's in the call with the option to pin them if we need to. Then we also have this chat bar here where we can chat with either the whole studio or a specific person in the session. As far as the recording goes, that's the beauty of this setup. The host controls the recording for everyone, so you don't have to do anything. And here's the thing that makes this different from a normal video call and recording. Riverside is recording you locally on your own device. You'll notice that there's this additional tab right up here, and this is where the recording and uploading is happening automatically. So if there are any connection issues or freezes during the session, the recording doesn't get affected at all. It just keeps going clean on your end. Just be sure that this tab up here stays open until the uploading is finished. And if something does go sideways, either your audio drops, your video freezes, or a dog shows up, just let the host know because they can pause the recording or back up and go again. And it's much easier to fix it in a moment than to find it in the edit and then fix it in post. I just want to assure you though that you're not going to be the reason that this recording didn't work. This is why these safeguards are in place, so if something does go awry, we've got you covered. So just as a quick reminder, once your recording is finished, make sure you keep this browser tab open, specifically this one here, until the uploading bar says it's finished. But after that, that's it. That's everything you need to know about joining a recording in Riverside. Click the link, check your mic, join the session, say cool things, and let the upload finish. Thank you so much for watching, and go have an amazing conversation.